Welcome to LNP Renewable Center. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of MEP part 10. So if you have missed part 1 to 9, please subscribe to our channel. In our channel we have created a playlist MEP basics part 1 to 12 English, so that whatever thing that you have missed you can get clarity out of it. Okay. So in our discussions we might be using so many symbols, acronyms and short forms. If you have any sort of doubt while referring to it, kindly please refer to this part so that you will get a clarity of the acronyms that we have referred in our discussions. So what are the things that we are going to discuss today? So what are the IO points of a air heater? Okay, how a simple DDC system looks like, and how a binary input are internally and externally powered. Okay, how an analog input is connected with the controller, how a graphical program and a flow charting looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an air heater with the outdoor reset option. As you can see, what we are going to do, we are already getting a cool air, so our main purpose is to heat them. So with the help of the heating coil, okay, either you can heat them with the hot water, or you can use the heater or thyristors to heat them, so that you can measure the exact temperature what it is. Okay, if you are achieving the exact temperature set point, then no need to switch on the heaters separately, or if you are going for a hot water supply, in the return line no need to open the valve again in order to cool heat down the air that is passing through it. And also we used to have a smoke detectors to measure the smoke, and also we will have a controllers, okay, to control the movement of the valve actuator. As most importantly, we will have a timers to control the temperatures also. Okay, based on the outside air temperature, we need to control the air inside the duct. Okay, and if you're going for a air heater IO points, we have so many IO points. Most importantly, first and foremost thing is that you need to have a manual override switch option, which it will provide an on off indication. Okay, so you used to have an indicator light, and most importantly you used to have an outside temperature. You are measuring it, so it's a variable input, and also you are measuring the temperature inside the temperature sensor. It is also a variable input. It can be 4 to 20 milliamps. Okay, and most importantly, with the help of that, okay, with the help of these parameters, with the help of a controller, you are making a comparison of the PID loops, and you are going to control the return, especially the valve actuators, okay, to control the valves which is present on the return line. Okay, that is also a variable output. It can be a 4 to 10 ohms or 0 to 10 volt. Next and foremost thing is that if you are having a DDC system, okay, most importantly for the controller to run, you need a power supply. And most importantly, if you want to connect your input modules or input connections and output connections, that connections also you need to connect with that. Okay, and you need to have a separate operator on it, and you need to have a boiler panels. Okay, and most importantly, whenever you are making a connections of input or output terminals with the concerned DDC panels, through internally we can provide the power supply, or through externally also we can provide power supply. So this is the method that we get shown here. As you can see here the power is being provided by the controller. From the controller, the power is being fed to the signal, IO signal that we are going to connect with it. This is the external source, so it is already having a supply, just we are taking a volt free contact alone for the working of the concerned terminal that we are going to connect with our DDC. Next, in the same way, okay, we can also monitor a analog input, okay, with the help of 10 volt DC power supplies. Also only with the help of change of resistance we can able to sort it out, the what is the exact value physical change which is happening outside. Most importantly, nowadays we are using 0 to 10 volt DCs, okay, for analog signals, and also in certain places we are using 4 to 20 milliamps output. So these are the text based programming which are still used in so many small controllers. Okay, it is same like an algorithm. Okay, and even nowadays there are many advancements are happening even in the standard PLCs. Okay, DDC controllers, they are using the graphical programs also. As you can see here, we have a PID control over it. We are connecting our a temperature sensor, and most importantly we have a comparison block. In that we are connecting our outdoor temperature sensor readings. Okay, and we are making a switching operations. For that we are creating the separate switches, and also most importantly outdoor air temperature dampers also we are also having. We are also monitoring the fan status, because fan also we are going to control it. If you're going for a flowchart operation, mostly we used to, when the sequence is started, we used to measure the temperature. Okay, if it is in the range of our condition that we had created, it will go to the next, it will go to the proceed to the next step. There also it will measure the temperature, and that temperature is going to take a decision whether you want to enable the boiler or disable the boiler. And next foremost thing is that whenever you enable the boiler, you need to run the pumps also. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have provided the contact list here. We, LNP Renewable System Limited, we are providing PLC programming training for Siemens, Allen Bradley and Delta PLCs. And also, if you are really interested to work in GCC countries like Qatar, Oman, Saudi, Dubai, especially in building management system, building automation control system, you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We are also providing access control system basics, electric vehicle technology basics. If you want to learn the MEP basics also, you can contact us. We are also providing training on it. And also, if there is no EB power available, if you want to establish a solar DC light system also, then you can contact us. If you might have an agriculture farms, if you want to protect your crops from the wild animals, instead of going for normal fencing, you can use the solar electrical fencing. We are providing them as a kit. And also for solar on-grid, off-grid or in hybrid applications, solar sheets, solar pump services, we are providing design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultancy and training supports also. Thank you so much.